Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make eggs in a pan. First, gather your essential ingredients: fresh eggs, a tablespoon of butter or oil, and your preferred seasonings like salt and pepper. Next, select a good non-stick pan, ideally one that is 8 to 10 inches in diameter, to ensure even cooking. Finally, crack 2 or 3 eggs into a small bowl. This makes pouring them into the hot pan much easier and helps avoid shell fragments. To make fluffy scrambled eggs, begin by melting 1 tablespoon of butter or a similar amount of oil in your nonstick pan over medium-low heat. Once the butter is melted and shimmering, pour your prepared eggs into the pan. Let them sit undisturbed for about 30 seconds until the edges just begin to set. Then, using a spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center, creating soft, creamy curds. For perfectly fried eggs, start by melting 1 teaspoon of butter in your non-stick pan over medium heat until it's just bubbling. Carefully crack 2 eggs directly into the pan, making sure they don't touch. Cook them for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until the egg whites are fully set and opaque, but the yolks remain beautifully runny. For a firmer yolk, you can cover the pan for an extra minute. Once your eggs are cooked to your liking, it's time to season them. A sprinkle of salt and freshly ground pepper will enhance their natural flavors. Serve your delicious eggs immediately, perhaps on a slice of warm toast, alongside some fresh vegetables, or as part of a larger breakfast spread. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals to help you in the kitchen. Enjoy your perfectly cooked eggs.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.